Question number 9. Write 2/5 as a decimal. A few ways you can do this. You could recognise that 2/5 is the same as 4/10, and if you know place value, hundreds, tens, units, tenths, 100ths and so on, if you have 4/10, that's the same as 0.4. Or you could remember that 1/5 is equal to 0.2, so therefore 2/5 would be double than that. Or, because this is a calculator paper, you could do 2 divided by 5 in your calculator, and your calculator will show you that it's 0.4. Part B, again, we've got a few different ways we could do it. The non-calculator method would be 48 divided by 8, would tell you what 1/8 of 48 is. If we want 3/8, we need 3 lots of 6, which would be 18. But again, we could do that all on our calculator in one step. 3/8 of 48 is found by multiplying the fraction by the whole number, which is same answer. Second part of B, you're probably going to have to use a calculator to work out the square root. That is, what number do you multiply by itself to get 1225? The answer is 35. Again, for the third part, you could do 7 times 7 times 7. Easiest thing to do is just to type 7 cubed into your calculator. 343. The fourth part of B, if this was a non-calculator paper, you would find 10%, then you would times it by 3, then you could find 1% and times it by 7 and add them together. It's a much more efficient method on the calculator, and that is to write the decimal equivalent of 37%, which is 0.37, and then to multiply it by the number you're finding a percentage of. So that calculation will tell us directly what 37% of 80 is. So the answer is 29.6. And C. A pair of shoes costs £94. It's reduced by 18%. What's the sale price of the shoes? We use a similar method to what we did above. We need to find 18% of 94, which is £16.92. So that's how much the shoes are reduced by. What is the sale price of the shoes? Well, that's the original price. Take away the reduction. 94, take away £16.92. £77.08.